G'day guys, James Southall here. I'm going to do a little video showing how I have made fuzz pedals work for me. Being a clean pedal platform user, I never really found fuzz work for me. It was always a bit too pokey and a bit too brash. And I feel like I didn't use them for years because I just wasn't using them properly, right? So the sound here is just guitar into a clean amp model by 2 notes, and it sounds like that. Nothing really fancy going on, a bit of reverb. Now if you put a fuzz in front of that, it can get a bit pokey. So this is my Expresso effects 1.5 tone bender. So yes, usable, but can seem be a bit brash. So what I tend to do is I have like an always on Timmy style pedal. This is my Music Box Pedals Lyla drive, and I have that on. That's it on. This is it off. It's adding that bit of grit, right? So that's the thing that and I'm sure many people took from Doyle Bramhall. Just having it that always on pedal, it kind of just like takes the fuzz, the pokey edges, and then goes through that pedal and just kind of like evens them out a little bit. And it also means that you can run multiple fuzz pedals, and they all kind of like hit the same volume. They don't poke out as much. One isn't going to be really loud, one isn't going to be really quiet, all that kind of stuff. So if we go Lyla drive off, pokey fuzz. Lyla drive on. Again, Lyla drive off. Now both usable tones, right? Now, where the fun really begins is a lot of us know that good fuzz pedals like to be put into a driven amplifier. Now I've got a Mythos pedals Olympus overdrive here. So it's quite dirty. So a fuzz into that is like putting your fuzz into an overdriven amp. Olympus off, TS9 on. There's just a few things that I do to help those fuzz pedals kind of a bit less pokey, give that kind of bloom and compression thing. If you put it through a really overdriven pedal, you get a bit of that wah, which is what I really like. So hope that helps. If you sort of haven't found the fuzz pedal you like yet, you probably just haven't found the right one for you, which is what I found. And once you open that Pandora's box, you'll find that you really can't get enough. So hope you enjoyed, hope that helped. See you guys next time.